3D puzzle. Today, let's build a forest treehouse. A house on a patch of grass. The house is made of wood. Install a sunshade on the fence at the doorway. Small animals next to the house. A big rooster, colorful flowers, kitten. Assemble the tree trunk and put it on the grass. This is the floor of the second floor of the treehouse. A small house on the book is too difficult. Put on the blue roof. So many leaves on the roof. The branches grow on the roof. The second floor railing. A pot of green plants in the corner. The sunshade of the second floor house. Assemble the main part of the second floor house. The door on the second floor leads to the treehouse. Assemble the roof of the second floor. The chimney on the roof. The window behind the house. There's a little monkey eating a banana under the tree. Flowers and a cow. This is the owner of the treehouse. Flowers at the door of the little girl's house. Flowers on the side of the house. A little white rabbit. A puppy. So many animals. And a little girl living together in the forest. A happy family.